Hey everyone! Today I'm diving deep into something I know a lot of you relationship coaches encounter. Helping couples when there's no chemistry. Sounds tough, right? But don't worry, I've got some insights that might just make all the difference. First off, let's redefine chemistry. It's not just about the sparks or butterflies. Sometimes it's about understanding, respect, and shared goals. When those fireworks aren't there, look for the quieter, deeper connections. Start by encouraging open and honest communication. You know, a lot of times people don't realize what they're missing because they haven't talked about it. Asking the right questions can uncover hidden layers of compatibility. Like, what are their values? What are their dreams? Sometimes, chemistry is waiting to be discovered in these shared visions. Next, try to create new experiences together. It's amazing what a little adventure can do. When couples step out of their comfort zones, they often find new ways to connect. This doesn't have to be something extreme. Even small changes in routine can make a big impact. Also, emphasize the importance of patience and persistence. Real chemistry isn't always instantaneous. It can grow over time. Encourage couples to invest in their relationship like they would in a garden. With care, attention, and time, beautiful things can blossom. Now, let's not forget about the power of physical touch. It's a fundamental human need. Even if the initial spark isn't there, holding hands, hugging, or simple gestures of affection can build intimacy and connection over time. Finally, remind them that every relationship is unique. Comparing to others or expecting a fairy tale romance can be damaging. Help them appreciate what they have and work on building their unique bond. So, relationship coaches, when you face couples struggling without that instant chemistry, remember these tips. Guide them with empathy, encourage new experiences, and help them see the value in their unique connection. Together, you can transform their relationship into something truly special. All right, that's it for today. Stay inspired and keep making a positive impact. Catch you next time.